Alright, folks, so what do you do with ornaments? Well, decorate your tree, decorate your wreath, or decorate your house, but not if you're producers. No, that's too easy. According to them, ornaments should be used to decorate this string that's held by... Who for plunger them this, by the way?
I borrowed them from my house today.
Buy them from your house?
Yeah.
When last you used them?
Yesterday.
we did put a little spray. But by the way, we're supposed to just use our elbows to put the ornament on that string, ornaments. And I've got 5 balls this morning.
As do I.
Oh, you do? So we have plenty balls in
You
the
ain't
place.
got nothing on me.
All right, let's go. So use your head. Hold on, I forgot. Pull my jacket. But take off my jacket. Elbow, you know.
Look far,
Look like I'm going to take off my
far.
shirt. Right, a slide. No, sir. Hold on, man.
It's far from us, though, you know, guys. Please be Mary.
Oh, good.
I don't let it go, Prince, it fell.
All right.
Only people shouting instructions down there. Ow! Hello, hi. What kind of taxi man business is this? Don't bad drive people. Good.
You know, that is unfair because you bounce more.
You should me.
All right, I have the inside laid. You see you doing it again?
One good turn deserves another.
Yeah, man. You see how she stayed? You know, are you going to give me a chance to do it?
Yes, of course. Not unfair.
Yes,
Why are you
man.
pushing on the table?
Da.
Oh, jeez. I feel like it's gonna hurt in the morning. Look at what you do now. I mean, you cannot take him anywhere.
Put up back the
The aim of the game is not to turn over the plunger.
It's too hard. Put it up back. Put it up back. Don't worry about them. It's too hard. Take off those back. Too hard already. Yeah. Thank you. That would be 3-2.
Why do you have to take up the whole space? That would be 3
I'm using all of my balls properly. And that is 4-3.
Do shoot! It's been nice at Christmas time.
All right, that's 4 all. And here is the winning one.
You take over the whole...
That's 5-4.
What you do, mash up the something? I'm not playing. Can you use this entire body width to block the play?
You. Your O's?